Hi again, everybody. Today is February 3rd, 2013. Almost 1 year ago, on February 7th of 2012, I made my 4 dozen pickled eggs. So this is going to count as my 1 year taste test. I did another video 6 months ago for the 6-month taste test. You can still see I've got about half left. The water's a little murky looking. A few months ago I added some fresh dill. So that's what you see. The long feather-like stuff is dill. But we're going to give it a shot here. Still smells like pickled eggs. Get my big 10-inch forceps. Okay. Texture-wise, well, weight-wise they're heavy. Texture-wise, they're solid. They feel like rubber a little bit. They smell good. I'm going to pull this one apart. Nice yellow yolk still. Here we go. Good. Not too acidic. The texture is actually kind of pleasant. I'd put a little salt on them, I think. So 1 year, I've been using this much refrigerator space for a year. Still got probably another year's worth of them, so we'll do another taste test maybe at 2 years. Good recipe, good eggs. Okay, see you in a year. Thanks for watching.